Hello my fellow researchers, my name is Jason, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a continuous variable such as age into ordinal categories. And we're going to use the auto method that SPSS provides when doing this. And so basically you just have to tell it, for example, how wide you want your interval width to be, and then it will automatically create a new variable with those groupings. So in this case, I have my existing variable age, which is from 18 to 88, and I want to create a new variable that has an interval width of 10. Now, I don't know how many groups we're going to have, I just know that I want 10. Okay, so let's go to SPSS. Here's my age variable, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to transform, visual binning. I'm going to throw age and variables to bin box. I'm going to hit continue, and here we have our variable age, and here we have our binned variable name, and this is the variable that we're going to create. So I'm going to type in age auto 10 because I want an interval width of 10. That's just the name of the variable. That's just for me to remember what's going on here. You can see the minimum value in our original variable age is 18, and the maximum value in our original variable age is 88. Here we have a visual aid, and it's our frequency distribution of age. Now down here I'm going to go to make cut points. So I'm going to hit make cut points, and I'm going to choose equal width intervals because I want all of my intervals to be a width of 10. A width of 10. So width, I'm going to type in 10, and my first cut point location, based on knowing that I want an interval width of 10, is going to be 28. So I'm going to type in 28 right there, and it's going to fill in the number of cut points row as being 6. So all you have to do is fill in at least 2 fields here, and it will determine the third field for you. Again, right? Degrees of freedom. So all I'm going to do is hit apply, and now you can see this box has been filled in. Here are all of our upper endpoints for each of our groups, or the upper limit of each of our groups. And last thing you're going to want to do is hit make labels. And now you can see exactly what's included in each of the groups. And this section right here is important as well. You're going to want to decide this before you do anything with this box. In this case, I've chosen the included option, which means that we have a little equals to sign right there. Or if you wanted, you could choose the excluded option, which would then exclude the actual value here from that group. So I'm going to hit OK, or just before I do that, you can see here again all of my cut points. And they're all equal. So let's hit OK, and we're going to create one new variable. Here's our syntax. Let's see what we've got. Here's our new variable, age auto 10. In the values column, you can see all of our values already pre-populated here. And again, you just want to do a quick analysis of what's going on here. So let's throw in that variable, and let's do a bar chart. I'm going to hit continue and OK. And now you can see, okay, well, you can see the frequency of each of these intervals. And since they're equal intervals, it's more similar to a histogram in that sense. But again, we're looking at a bar chart here, so we're not necessarily talking about skewedness or kurtosis or anything like that. But it gives you a good visual representation nonetheless. So if you have any questions, please feel free to message me. If not, stay tuned for my next video. Cheers.